Hey, beautiful babes. If you're in your 60s like me and want your body to feel firm, hydrated, and glowing, not just your face, then today's DIY is for you. We're making a simple, natural body cream that's perfect for mature skin. Say goodbye to dry, saggy skin and hello to soft, youthful skin all over your body. You don't need expensive creams. This DIY uses natural ingredients you can find at home or right online. So here's what you need. A half cup of shea butter to deeply moisturize and firm the skin. And then a quarter cup of coconut oil, which helps soften and smooth the skin. Melt them together over low heat until fully smooth. Once melted, remove from heat and let it cool slightly, not too much, just warm. Now add 2 tablespoons of almond oil. Almond oil is rich in vitamin E and helps improve elasticity. And then add 1 teaspoon of vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil is for that extra anti-aging glow boost. Now mix all of that well. Now, if you like a light scent, you can add a few drops of your favorite essential oil at this stage. Now whip everything together using a hand mixer until it becomes light and fluffy. Finally, pour your mixture into a clean jar and let it set at room temperature. And that's it. Your homemade body cream is ready to help your skin feel firmer, smoother, and beautifully radiant. Now apply daily after showering. Massage in circular motions. This boosts circulation and helps firm the skin. Focus on areas like your arms, thighs, and tummy for best results. Over time, your skin will look brighter, firmer, and more youthful. If you loved this DIY, hit the like button, subscribe for more natural beauty tips, and share your results in the comments. Your body deserves this TLC at every stage. Bye now.